In this video, let me show you how to fix Spotify cannot download songs. So if you have the Spotify premium subscription and still having issues downloading a song within Spotify, in this video, let me show you a few solutions that you can try out. Now, the first thing that you need to ensure is that if you're currently using your data or the cellular data, in order to download songs within Spotify, you'll need to first of all toggle on a few settings. So once you're inside of the settings page, head over to data saving and offline and make sure that the data saver mode is either set to automatic or set to always off. In this situation, even if you are using your data, the songs can easily download. Also make sure that the downloads over cellular is also toggled on, which means you can download songs and any other audio within Spotify using your cellular data as well. So this is the first thing that you need to check. And if this is not the case for you, what you can simply do is clear out your app cache. So just hop out of the Spotify app, tap and hold it, and then head over to this icon. Once you're inside of the settings page, head over to storage and then tap on the clear cache option. Along with that, you can also tap on clear all data. What this will do is log you out of your Spotify account. So you'll need to log it back. And once you do, you should be able to fix this error. But however, even after trying all of these steps, you're still having issues with it. You'll also need to ensure that the 5 device limit has not reached. The premium subscription of Spotify only allows up to 5 devices. And if you're trying to add in a 6th device, or log into a 6th device, this may also be the issue that you're facing. Now, lastly, if none of these solutions are working out for you, the last thing that you can try out is either try to uninstall the Spotify app and then again re-download it, or use the web version of Spotify from your laptop or desktop. So that's pretty much all there is to it. If this video was helpful to you, be sure to subscribe. I'm going to see you in the next one.